Locate the bulb you intend to replace.
We were able to access this bulb by simply reaching our hand behind the housing.
Remove the bulb assembly by twisting it counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Push the tab and pull the connector to release the bulb. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. The oils on your fingers can create hot spots and cause the bulb to burn out prematurely. Use rubbing alcohol to wipe off the bulb if you touch it. We recommend Sylvania's Silver Star Ultra bulbs for whiter light, better clarity, and the most download performance. Push the connector straight in to connect the new bulb. Insert the bulb assembly into the lens and twist it clockwise to lock it.